How you doing? Welcome to the demo of PawnOS and a quick overview of the framework. We'll try to keep this under 5 minutes and go really fast. Check this out. We have a really awesome appearance setting that lets you go into dark mode or not. It's cool. So I thought I'd start off with that. But let's go ahead and take a look here. Now, right now, I am in the store owner admin settings, so I don't see like till management or anything like that. But I could come in here and search for like something like Rolex, and it would search all my customers, my inventory, product available, show me the quantities on hand, where I can then come into here and do different things. We're linked to customers, all that good stuff. So it all just kind of works together. Um, so I can see everything on this customer, aka me, and everything going on with him, but I can't actually do like a loan rewrite or anything like that. I can see like the loan agreements and stuff. But to get into actually drilling down into like writing a loan or doing something on that, I need to log into the store. So I'm going to go ahead and log into the store here. And then let's just do the same search here. Actually, instead, let's just like look at Samuel reading this way. Now we can come into here and press view on this customer, and we can see the different things about that customer. Now, mind you, this customer version of me doesn't have a loan. So let's just like write a loan really quick. We're going to create new loan. We're going to log into our till management. So that's pretty easy. We can balance shortages, things like that. Need to send two-factor text or get manager approval. But in this case, I'm just going to log in with what I should have. Cool. Trying to keep it quick for you guys. It's under 5 minutes. We are not doing very good on time. So I can come in here, add gold, do my things, right? My jewelry. Let's do $100 on that gold. Let's copy it and do another one. Let's retitle this test. Cool. Okay, maybe we'll do 200, 250 on that. Let's add in some inventory. Let's look for like a Rolex Daytona. If it's in the database, we'll see it here. Cool. Auto maps category. What's the serial? Sweet. Okay, do we want to add any additional information? We can over here, like images. Let's go ahead and add something from an image that maybe I took a picture of. This Rolex here. Cool. It automatically identifies it. It adds the photo, but it's not in our product database. So we need to either create it as manual or add it to the database. That would add it. Obviously, we'd detail that out a little bit more. We'll go $5,000 on that and maybe 10,000 on this. Cool. So I got one, two, three, four items. Now, if we have a configuration set, it's going to work off of your policies. In this case, I don't think I do on this account. So we're going to manually type some stuff in. Now, instead of having one loan with all this, let's just, let's make four loans using our configuration set. Cool. We need to do that dependency there or requirement. And now we have four loans. Cool. So for some of your users, you're not used to being able to do multiple loans in one transaction or a sale and a buy all in the same transaction. So let's go ahead and like add a purchase inside of this. We'll just make it jewelry so it's simple. I know a lot of us do jewelry, 100 grams, so that's $6,200 in value. Okay, cool. I'm gonna lend them $5,000. Awesome. That's a purchase. Now let's do a sale in the same transaction. So we're going to add in a sale. We can look through our inventory here. Okay, cool. We'll sell an Xbox. This is a pretty cool feature. That's not priced yet, but it lets us price it on the fly. If we had a hold policy, it would actually give a pop-up, but it would still let us find what's there. Let's add a bucket SKU. Sure, we have a candy bar. Awesome. Again, you can scan inventory. If you want to scan your barcode and add it in also. Sure, we're going to sell this bucket, these really expensive candy bars. So we have a sale, a buy, and loans all in the same transaction. It balances it out. All right, we need to pay the customer 19,000 bucks. So 19,000. Okay, we're gonna pay him cash. Oh, we only get 11 grand on our till. What's gonna happen? Oh, we're gonna see a pop up because we need to balance our till. So is this coming from another store, another safe? We don't have money in the safe. We don't even have a safe set up in this. So let's just credit it from the bank. We're gonna credit 50 grand. But that balances our till and forces us not to have issues later. So pretty awesome. We're getting to that 5 minute point, but we have digital contracts. We can do text messaging right in here on that customer. If I were to click there, we could do text messaging. So maybe I'll verify me. Let's just do a quick little text, show you how that works. I don't actually know if that's my phone number. That is not my phone number. Okay, yeah, so let's not send a text message there, but we can do text messages. Yeah, let's just update my number, I guess. Save, update, verify. We can verify with an OTP to reduce security or increase security or manual. So do I want to force an OTP to come in? Let's see if this happens. And now we're going to verify the OTP. Oh, okay. Well, on this account, I am getting the vote OTP, but we are in the middle of some upgrades. But yeah, OTP came in. It would normally ask for the box to come in. So I'll just manually verify. Hey, okay. I think this is pretty expected. Hi, how are you? Text messages come in, and it refreshes. Pictures come in and things like that. Now, maybe I'll send a picture in of an item and we want to create a loan from this boat that's in my Rolodex. Okay. So the boat should come in here in a second. And then we're going to have to create a loan from that boat picture. It refreshed and came in here. So yeah, let's add this to creating a loan. Cool. Is that inventory? Yeah, it's inventory. Cool. So let's come into here, create new loan from an image. Sweet. So the boat is in here now because I clicked that button and it's processing. So we'll give it a few minutes here and let the AI do its job. Press the refresh button and there it is. And it's an American jet boat. It tries to get us details. It does as good as it can for now. A lot more coming. And then there's the boat. Maybe we title this up. Auto categorizes. And if we want this to be in our database, we can do that. Or we can make it manual. So if I want this to be a jet boat searchable later, we'll just do that. And I'll put like IPG in the front, just to kind of show you how that works. What's the source that we got the details from? Offer up. Do you want to change any of this? We can create. Now it's in our database. So actually, if I go add inventory here in the future, it should be searchable right here. And there it is. So we've effectively added it into the database. And now let's go ahead and do the loan. Oh, missing a category of something to finish that up, but we'd finish it up and we'd be good and done. So PawnOS is awesome. There is a whole lot more to it. There's settings, all kinds of integrations, and just it's limitless. So I'm excited to have you guys take a look at the demo. Just as we kind of finish this up, some unique things we have are custom templates. So we can make custom templates for you very quickly, custom sales tags, anything you want, custom receipts. It's super awesome. There's so much packed into here. We'll see you in Pawn OS. The future is here.